What is up guys, this is Tito back with another video, and I'm here with the Xiaomi outdoor speakers 30 watts, and this just started selling yesterday and I ordered it on the first sale. I got it from Flipkart for 3,500 rupees around. And yes, I was pretty excited because I didn't get the previous Xiaomi's speakers, but this one I was pretty excited about because this one supports TWS up to 100 speakers connected together, and this one has 30 watts output. The battery life is around 12 hours and it is having the IP67 waterproof rating and all. There is a built-in microphone so you can receive calls and all. This speaker is really, I would say, one of the best value for money deal that you can get. The direct competitor of this one might be the JBL Flip 6 that costs about 9,000 rupees, and this is available for about 1/3 of the price. So that is why this makes a no-brainer deal for this particular speaker. Without wasting any more time, let's just quickly unbox it and let me show you how it looks like. So here is how the box packaging actually looks like, and here on the top we have the Xiaomi Sound outdoor speaker branding, and there is a Mi logo. We have the 30 watt sound output, TWS, and the 12 hours mentioned, that is the battery life up to, and we have the IP67 waterproof rating. And I got the blue color, that is why you are seeing this blue color. It has the Xiaomi logo and all. This is a red dot design winner kind of product, so that's really nice. And on the left side you will see all the specs again, and there are more specs mentioned. It has a 2600 mAh battery and stuff, and the Bluetooth version here is 5.4, so you're getting one of the latest Bluetooth versions out there. And we have more kind of stuff right here. The MRP quoted on the box, it's a little bit high. It is about 7,000 or 6,999 rupees, but of course I got it on the first sale for about 3,500. But first of all, let's just unbox it. But yeah, of course it had the Flipkart open box kind of delivery, so I have already unboxed it. We get a user manual kind of, and this is how it looks like. You can see all the button functions and all with this kind of user guide. Here is how the speakers actually looks like. Just notice the blue color one, it has the Xiaomi branding right on top. The material is kind of like cloth and rubber mixed, I would say. And on the left side and right side, it is rubberish feeling. And we have a strap right here built in. And we also have the USB-C port right here under cover of this rubber kind of flap. Of course, this is waterproof. That's why I think we need this kind of rubber flap. And I hope it stands out because it is pretty thick if you're noticing this inside kind of section. So yeah, I would say in the long term, it will be helpful. And we have these buttons. The buttons are really good. I have already tested that. And yeah, overall, this is the power button. This is the Bluetooth button, Bluetooth pairing button, I mean, and this is the multiple device pairing option or multiple speakers pairing option. The infinity kind of pair logo is there. So if you have bought even more of these kind of speakers, you can definitely connect them together and play them as a sync kind of audio wirelessly. And there are the pads so that you can just stand it around just like this. By the way, the front side of the speaker is this side where you get the logo and stuff. And on the back side, it doesn't give you any kind of sound. So make sure if you are someone who gets the speaker, the Xiaomi side should be facing you so that you get the best experience of the audio. Enough talk about that. Let's just put the speaker aside. Now let me show you the charging cable provided in the box itself. So here, this is how it looks like. This is a USB-A to USB-C cable. I wish it was a USB-C to C, but yeah, it is a pretty long cable. Let me just open it so that I can show you. Yeah, it is a very long kind of charging cable, as you can see from here, for charging other devices too. So I'll just keep it around. I have already paired it to my device, but once you are actually looking forward to pair it, and make sure you just hold this power button for about 2 seconds, I think. You will hear a sound. And it has turned on. It doesn't show you or get you any kind of weird audio, but yeah, the pairing sound and stuff, it's really nice. Already paired it, and this is the Xiaomi outdoor kind of speaker. It will show up in your Bluetooth pairing mode. You just click on that and just connect it like a normal Bluetooth device. And by the way, the play and pause button works great, and we have the volume down and volume plus, and this one actually adjusts the phone's media volume, as you can see right here. If I just click on the plus, as you can see, it's increasing the volume right here. So this is nice. Right now, let me play a music so that you can get an idea about it. Now, I would say even at 50% volume, the bass sounds really full, and the audio quality seems to be really great. Even though this is a mono channel kind of audio, because I'm playing it with one speaker only. If you pair it with 2 speakers, of course, the stereo experience will be much better. Now I'm gonna increase the volume to 100%. So first impressions, the volume seems to be really loud, and it is powerful even when compared to a 14 by 14 kind of room. So yeah, this is even for a big room, this speaker will be perfect. And of course, this is an outdoor speaker, so in outdoors it will give you much more better clarity, I guess. By the way, in case if you're wondering how the internal mic sounds like of the Xiaomi outdoor speaker, let me give you a demo with this particular app with the Bluetooth device. And currently I am connected to this Xiaomi Sound Outdoor. So this is how it should sound like with the Xiaomi outdoor speaker. And if I just, as you can see, it is receiving the audio on this particular speaker. So yeah, hopefully it sounds good, and this is how it will sound like while you are in a call. And I don't have any kind of active noise right now going on around me, but yeah, otherwise overall this is how it sounds like. I'll keep quiet for a moment so that you can get the noise kind of clarity. So yeah, this is how it sounds like. And here the bass radiators just looks really nice. And I've noticed a really good thing that on the speaker you can actually play music and even charge it at the same time. So if you're using it as a desk speaker or something, or for your laptop or PC, this will be perfect, because of course I think this one supports dual device pairing and all. So yeah, overall it will be good, but this one doesn't have any kind of app support or anything. But of course you can dip it in water if you are like someone who is swimming and all, and just putting your speaker besides your swimming pool. Definitely this speaker will work perfectly fine for that, because this is IP67 waterproof. So do let me know in the comments what do you guys think about this latest Xiaomi outdoor speakers 30 watts. I feel this is one of the most value for money product that you can get in 2024 as a Bluetooth speaker. And the size is compact, the overall weight it's pretty like light, and in the same time I would say it offers really a punch. This definitely gives you one of the best kind of sound quality in my opinion. The bass quality and stuff, everything, it's just proper for this particular price. The overall products like look and feel, it's just really amazing. So do let me know down there if you have any kind of questions about this particular product. I will be reviewing it soon, so do stay tuned for that. And please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. Share this video with your friends if they want to know about the overall sound quality and all of this speaker. And if they have any questions, do let them to actually comment down below so that I can answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tito from KTNTECH signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.